guys, it's Urbanda here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video related to the hair. If you have seen my other videos, I have gray hair and I've been having this problem since years and years ago. And I tried different products, they didn't work. I also tried two products, one was permanent and the other one was semi-permanent. From the brand Clairol. They claim to be especially for gray hair. They didn't work, so I kept looking and I found a hairstylist on the internet. I'm gonna leave her link in the description box, but she was talking about two different products. I went for this one. This is from the brand Joico and I got it in the color 5NN plus because I wanted the roots to be the more natural as possible, the more natural color as possible. And this is especially for age-defy purposes, hair, whatever. It's $11. I found it in Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box, and I use that with 20 volumes developer, half and half. Let's see the process. Okay, so here I'm showing you the parts where I have all the gray hair concentrated. That's the main part that I want to cover. In the video, the professional recommended to put 20 volumes developer on your hair if you had stubborn gray hair. So this is my problem. So I tried it and she said that this is going to allow your hair to open for the hair dye to penetrate in your hair. So I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so now the 20 minutes passed and I am mixing the hair dye, which is again from the brand Joico, and the color that I choose was 5NN plus. I am mixing that with 20 volumes developer. I bought the one from the brand L'Oreal, all from Amazon. I'm gonna leave you the link down below. I am using equal parts of products, so if you are gonna use 1 ounce, you're gonna have half an ounce of developer, half an ounce of hair dye. But in this time I didn't measure, I just did it by eye. So I put that all over my roots and I let it sit for 40 minutes because that's what the instructions recommended. It says 35 to 40 minutes if you have stubborn gray hair, which is my case. Okay, so after seeing the process, let me show you the results. You are about to see that this finally worked. I don't see any gray hair. Not here, not here. I did that all over my roots, all over my hair. all over my hair, no, all over my head, I meant to say. No gray hair, no nothing. I have the most gray hair in this part, and I don't see anything, you guys. I don't see anything. Here is just a teeny tiny hair that is kind of that it's showing there like a highlight, but nothing too serious. The most part that I wanted to be covered was this part, and it's all covered. I am so happy to find something that finally worked. This tube, I know I'm gonna have a lot of use out of it, the same as this developer. It's pricey, not really, because I expend a lot of money before trying to find the product. Nothing worked, so it was basically money to the trash. Now this is a good investment. I'm gonna use it a lot. And yeah, if you like this video, if you feel that I help you, let me know in the comments down below. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.